He's a good boy. Whoa. 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 I wasn't your part yet. There's other cats. There's 1, 2. There's 3. There's more cats in between where I'm currently at and where you are. No. What? Yeah. Oh my gosh. An entire chicken farm. Well, you can have one for now. No. No. Got it. There you go. Good girl. Would you drive a red Corolla? No, you wouldn't. That's right. Even dumb, smelly Teagies can get chicken, I guess. Stink Snuffle. Good boy. What is it? What is it? Stink Face, over here, Stink Face. And Snuffle. Good boy. Hi. Yes, it's your turn now. Yeah, I know. You're like, finally. Good. Snuffle for the road, good sir. Thank you.